Welcome back on this nice fine Sunday afternoon here on what is it, May 17th. Anyway, today's issue is I'm trying to frame up this here, and I'm gonna close it all in and get rid of it, turn it into a wall. But the issue is the wall is not exactly fastened, so you can see the gap. I got about a 2.5 inch gap there. It goes up to nothing at the top. So, dilemma is how to hold on to it while I hold it up there while I get it fastened. So, what I'm going to do is I rigged me up a Rube Goldberg device that I think you'd be proud of. So, first thing I did was put my block up against the house here so I don't poke a hole in it. Okay, I got me a little tube before it runs clear on out here past the steps and all this other junk. Sitting on top of this here busted cinder block, up against this other cinder block with a 2x4, up against this nice little trip hazard right here. And that's going to give me a solid place to push against. Then I got this 2x4 here. At the end, I got the rope tied to. So now, I'll run back way over here, and hopefully, by pulling on this rope and wrapping it around that curtain rod in there, or closet rod in there, I can tie it up and pull that tight. So, I'm going to set this down, and we're going to see if we can get it to work. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if I can do this without shutting it off this time. Okay, there it is. Okay, step it over here, and pulling on it. Hey, look at here, it's closing. Come on, buddy. Come on. A little more. I got it. Tie it up. Come on. Give it a little more. Oh, it's tight. All right. Well, there we go. I think that actually worked. Let's take a look at the result. Okay, once again, we had a narrow gap at the top, pulled it down there, rope's all nice and tight. Look at here. And the cap's all right up here. I can add less than my finger. I can't get my fingers in it, so I can get a clamp on that, tighten up the rest of the way, get a couple lags in it. I think I'll be good to go. Put a new sill board under there, a couple more jack studs. I ought to be go, and we'll get this job done. Here, that's another one done. Here, have a good day. Happy Sunday.